Hook. What if I told you that you can replace your 9 to 5 job with AI tools and earn up to $1,500 per month while sleeping? Imagine having the financial freedom to pursue your passions and live the life you've always wanted, without being tied to a desk. INTRO. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest AI tools and technologies that can help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. In this video, we'll be sharing 9 AI secrets that can help you earn up to $1,500 per month, from content creation to affiliate marketing, and more. Method 1. The first method is using AI-powered content creation tools, such as Article Forge and WordLift, to generate high-quality content for your blog or website. These tools can help you create content quickly and efficiently, without sacrificing quality, and can even help you optimize your content for search engines. For example, with Article Forge, you can create a 500-word article in just a few minutes and earn up to $100 per article. Method 2. The second method is using AI-powered affiliate marketing tools, such as Commission Junction and ShareASale, to promote products and earn commissions. These tools can help you find high-paying affiliate programs and even automate your marketing campaigns so you can earn money while you sleep. For example, with Commission Junction, you can earn up to $100 per sale and even get paid for referrals. Method 3. The third method is using AI-powered investing tools, such as Robinhood and eToro, to invest in stocks and cryptocurrencies. These tools can help you make informed investment decisions and even automate your investments so you can grow your wealth over time. For example, with Robinhood, you can invest in stocks and ETFs with just a few clicks and even get free stocks for referring friends. Bonus. And as a bonus, we'll be sharing a secret AI tool that can help you generate passive income without any effort at all. This tool is called AI Writer, and it can help you generate high-quality content and even optimize it for search engines so you can earn money while you sleep. CTA, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on AI and personal finance. If you want to learn more about these AI secrets and how to earn up to $1,500 per month, check out the links in our description below.